Hello, I'm Lincoln Rosenthal and I am the Assistant Chief Photographer. We are going to show you a tour of the new hub atrium. So as we walk forward here, you can see that we have a new storage cafe right here where you can buy lunch and all of that. And if you come over here, then you can see the sign right here. It's bright in yellow. Yeah, you can see right here. This is the new Spartan Cafe. You know, you have the stuff in here where you can cook lunch. It's closed off right now, but it's okay. But as you can see over here, we have all this new bench space. Like, I can twirl around, I can sit down, I can lay down, I can stand up. All this new bench space. And right here, as you can see, guys, this is a new surprise that this used to be actually where Hollywood and Value Avenue used to be, and we actually have the photo right here still. And as you look to the right, this is the new surprise, and we have this. This is the new hub area. This is the new hub atrium. Right here, as you can see the skylight where it's rainproof. We have plants, we have benches, we have tables where people can sit and eat, where people can conversate. We have trash cans, more plants, more benches. We have places where you can charge your phone. And as I said, it's rainproof. As you come over here, you can see that like this is a new breezeway, that it's like all concrete. But we have more benches over here. And there's even one bench over here that's really special that has Lakewood High School going across it. Right over here. See right here, Lakewood High School going right across this bench right here. Pretty sweet if you ask me. And if you look over here, we have the new cafeteria. We have a cafeteria with new windows and new doors and everything. And if you look inside, there's a little bit of improvement, but I think there's still some improvement to go. You see windows and all of that. And as you look forward over here, a little bit to the left, you can see the new auditorium. It's a new theater, new auditorium. You can see the new doors over here. If we come over closer, then you can see that we have carpet in here. And it's kind of, I think it looks better. I mean, there's carpet in here. The doors are closed, but if you zoom in close enough, there's carpet in here. It's very great. It looks very modern. That's the end of our tour. Thank you. And this is New Lakewood.